Meaning of ignoramus.
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 Ignoramus. Ignoramus is a noun that refers to a person who is lacking in knowledge, experience, or culture. It can be used to describe someone who is uneducated or inexperienced in a particular subject or area. The term is often used in a derogatory way to criticize someone's lack of intelligence or understanding. In some cases, it may also be used humorously to refer to oneself or others in a lighthearted manner. Overall, the term ignoramus connotes a sense of intellectual deficiency or inadequacy.